What's up everyone, welcome to the weekly Braapdate for February 1st, and I've got some hot Braapdates coming at you right now. So you guys saw that I finally announced my throwback two-stroke garage build shootout last week, and that you guys have a chance to win all of the bikes a part of that project. Keep an eye out for later on this week because I will be having a video about all the rules and details that go behind that giveaway, so that's something that you're not gonna wanna miss. Also right now guys, we're going into prime time used dirt bike buying season. So I just dropped a video about the 5 best questions that you need to be asking a seller before you even go look at a used dirt bike on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. To build off of that, I have a video dropping today about the 3 things you don't want to do when you're negotiating the price of that used dirt bike, because let's face it, we're all out to get the best price, and you don't want to be doing these 3 things when you're negotiating the price for that dirt bike. Also this week guys, I'm going to be introducing the 2006 RM250. I'll be breaking down that bike and whether or not it was worth the price that I paid for it. But finally, here we are. If you guys have been paying attention to my Instagram and YouTube page, and if you watched the part 7 assembly video for my 2007 KX250, you would know that I had a giveaway for the Renthal bars that are on the bike right here. So finally, I am here to announce the winner of that giveaway, and the winner for the Renthal Twinwall bars is going to be Mike Vesey. Mike, you're the winner, so we'll be in touch about that. You just won the sweet Renthal Twinwalls right off the bike. So that's the weekly Braapdate guys for February 1st. Stay tuned and we'll see you next week. Peace.